One of the biggest challenges you'll face when rolling out a new CRM is getting your team up and running. This is why we have put you in control over what things are called in your CRM. In your business, you might refer to leads as enquiries, or quotations as quotes or estimates. You might refer to your customers as clients, or jobs as customer orders. In your CRM, you can rename your different modules. You can also rename some of the core CRM features, and we made it easy for you to rename existing fields in the CRM too. Having your CRM use your terminology, which your team will be familiar with, significantly speeds up the process of getting your team using it. Not only that, they'll actually enjoy using it. Don't make your business fit your CRM. Instead, have your CRM your way.